How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So if you want to fix your TikTok login problem with your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to make sure that you're on your account. So I'll just simply go and switch to my Facebook account. After that, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down again, and you need to find an option of apps and websites. You'll have your activity, and under your activity you'll have apps and websites. You need to tap on it and make sure that the apps and websites are turned on. Once you've done that, you need to scroll down and make sure here that these are turned on. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to simply turn on your apps, websites, and game preferences or game and app notifications. You need to turn it on. Once you turn that on, you can just go back and then open up your TikTok application and log in to your TikTok with your Facebook. This will allow you, or this will turn on the ability to log in with Facebook and other apps. So once you turn this on, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.